Hey guys, Dale with Old School Rides. Here picking up another car. Well, actually we got it picked up. It was in California. Kind of a long trip. We got out there. It was hard to get in the lot where it was, and it was raining, of course. And what made matters worse, we brought the rain back with us. It's been raining for a day or so. I had to tarp the car, and we just got it on the trailer out front here. But I'm kind of excited about it. It's a 1967 Barracuda convertible, and it is a Commando V8. It's a non-Formula S, but it has almost every option of the Formula S with the hypo motor, the 273 V8 in it. So I'm super excited. We'll take a look at her here. I haven't unloaded this one because I'm feeling a little lazy, and I'm gonna go down to Discount Tire and we're gonna get some tires for it and put them on. Here it is, guys, 1967 Barracuda convertible with a 273 Commando option. And like I said, this is a highly optioned car. I'm gonna swing in here and show you this little guy. Let's get down right there, Commando V8. It's got the nice rockers trim on it. Got the normal Barracuda badges. I'm a little curious about this hood insert up here. That looks like a 68 one. I thought the 67s were fully finned. Maybe it's a late car or something. I'm not real sure. Good little peek at the grill and the bumper, straight bumper and stuff. I got the hood strap down now, and we won't mess with that much until we get back. I'm gonna head over to Discount Tire. You know, this car came with something that we, just love to have. 4 perfectly flat tires. Yep, we got 4 of them right there. Made it a booger to come along up on this trailer. Thank goodness it was a tilt deck. Swing around to the back here. She's looking pretty good. Missing a piece of trim like right here. These 2 trims are kind of hard to get and not bunged up, but dual exhaust car, check that out. And look at that, they come completely packed with mud. Yep, that's an option, I'm sure. Take a look at that gas tank. It's a little crushed. I could smell bad fuel when we were loading this thing, and that was not a joy in the rain, because it was sliding down the trailer a little bit and trying to get us where we needed a chain. Well, a little more cancer on this side and this quarter. Looks like typically these cars lean one direction and all the water goes there. Really nice little car, another Commando V8 emblem on both sides, and it does have the 4-barrel hypo motor. Looks like its numbers matching when we climb in there, but great car. Grill looks pretty good. The bumpers, it does have a little bang up in the one side there, but I mean, all in all, where are you going to find a convertible pretty complete and all there? Let's go peek at the inside. Here we are, guys, at Discount Tire. We're going to see if we can make this thing roll, get rid of those 4 flat tires that we have and put some round ones on, and hopefully be a whole lot easier to unload. So stay tuned. So here it is. We got the door open here. I'm gonna try and step up on it. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick in the back. I noticed this before we left. The actual hydraulic shocks are missing for the convertible top, and the motor is supposed to be in here that we get. So it was a power top car, and top and interior is pretty kind of rough. That back seats looking really toast, but yeah. And then you come around the front, but I got to show you guys, this was a highly optioned car. So we got console, bucket seats, automatic shifter on the floor, and then let's try and zoom in here. When you see this right here, this is a recall wheel. Super rare. So what happened was the factory put these out, and they're a super cool sporty wheel, supposed to be wood grained here, and nice knob and everything, original knob on it. But people would get their fingers stuck in these bars, so they recalled. Oh, like I just got mine stuck right there. But yeah, they get their finger stuck. They recalled these wheels, and you can't find them. They're super hard to find. So if you find one, get it, restore it, keep it. That's the main thing. I saw that on this car and I was like, I gotta have that. But check this out. This is even better. So this car is a non-Formula S. That's 150 mile an hour speedo. It's got the little mileage reset right there. Well, that's 150 mile an hour speedo. That's a Formula S style option right there. And then look at this. See that? Factory tack in this car. That is another rare option. They do repop them now, but they're not as good as the originals. Close, but not quite. So this has a factory tack, a recall wheel, 150 mile an hour speedo. That package alone made this a super deal when we got this car. Back up here, get you a little better look at her. But that's the interior. It's pretty rough, bad door panels, everything like that. But this is a neat car. Hypo 273 Barracuda. We're gonna go get out there now. I'm gonna try and figure out that tie rod end for you and see if I can get this thing rolling where it'll drive off the trailer. Well, guys, tried to show you all that, but I guess my phone overheated. So I kind of got all the way through it and realized the phone shut off. But here it is. It's back on. Let me peek under here and show you. We got that tie rod end back on, both ends. Steering's hooked up. You know, thanks to the guys at Master Pro, they got me the right tie rod ends and stuff. What I did was I measured from here to here to get our length, and it did okay. You know, she's not probably aligned very good, but we come around the front, you know, they're both going straight, so it ought to steer off just fine. That's an exciting part. It wasn't that bad. Everything came off pretty easily. Boy, look at this thing though. It was broke here, and then the ball joint right there, and then the ball joint broke out as well, into little pieces. Like, I mean, lots of little pieces. So hopefully they weren't driving it when that happened, but it was definitely not coming off the trailer straight. But for me, it's ready to go now. Tie rod end's done, and we'll hop up there. I got the hood released a little bit. We'll take a peek at the engine, and hopefully this one's ready to roll and be at home. So I got this hood up. Had to have a strap on it. If you guys look up here, the bolts were out for the latch, and it's kind of, if you look up at the top here, it's kind of frozen and won't release. So they probably had to undo the bolts so that they could get into the hood here. I just put a strap on it for getting her home. But check this out. Definitely 4-barrel 273. These are the high performance 273 valve covers with the little fins on them, and black, I called them black crinkle valve covers or something like that. It was an air car. I didn't show you on the dash. It said AC. I missed that part. Right on the valve and stuff, but somebody grabbed the AC unit, it looks like, out of it at one point. But AC's missing right there, but it definitely had AC on it. I forgot, this is a power disc brake car. So you probably saw the brakes when I had the wheel off. Power disc brakes were an awesome option in 67. Like I said, this car is highly optioned. Power steering also, just, you know, air conditioning, power brakes. Remember that tack, the steering wheel, buckets, console, like, just, this should have been a Formula S car. Just missed the S badges, but definitely a commando car. Hard to say what's rarer, being a commando or a Formula S, but great project, you guys. I'm gonna back up here a little bit and let you peek at her from up here. But yep, Hypo 273. Well, there it is, guys. We're gonna get her off the trailer. It'll be a whole lot easier. 4 new tires, discount tire, thank you. You know, we got the parts from O'Reilly's with the Master Pro, change that tie rod end. This thing should just be able to roll off the trailer, no problems now. Great car. I forgot, it does have a fender tag on it, which is great for a high option car. You can go through and decode everything that it has. You know, air conditioning, 273, hypo, tack, 150 speedo, and that darn recall wheel is sitting right there looking so beautiful. You know, couldn't ask for a better find. You know, maybe not, you know, it's not a big block car, but it is a super rare car. You know, thanks for joining us, guys. Old School Rides, subscribe. We'll see you next time.